Hi, my name is Elizabeth, a career advisor here at Corporate Staffing Services. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, and it's also a common mistake that most candidates make when they are writing their CVs. That is using the phrase responsible for. So let me just take you through some of 5 phrases that you can use that can make you stand out and also get you hired faster. One of the phrases that you can use instead of responsible for is the phrase achieved. So instead of saying responsible for increase in sales, you can say achieved a 30% increase in sales. This shows result, right? Another phrase that you can use is enhanced. Instead of saying responsible for enhancing customer service, you can say enhanced customer service leading to a happier customers. This shows your impact. Another phrase that you can use is developed. So instead of saying responsible for developing training materials, you can say developed training materials that helped new hires. This definitely shows that you are creative. Led is also another phrase that you can use. Instead of saying responsible for managing a team, you can say led a team of 10 to launch a new product. This will definitely show that you have leadership skills. Another phrase that you can also use is implemented. So instead of saying responsible for implementing new softwares, you can say implemented new softwares that made work easier. This definitely shows action. So when writing your CV, it is important to use these strong words that will help you showcase your achievements. Focus on your action and result. This will quickly grab the attention of the hiring manager. So take a moment, look at your CV. Are you using weak language? If so, it is time to improve on your CV. So here at Corporate Staffing, we offer free CV review, and if you want an expert to work on your CV, we also do that at a cost. So share your CV on the link below and we are going to engage further. Till next time, bye-bye.